Me and Jordyn are going to show you how to get rid of hiccups if you have hiccups. Hey, we Jordyn. Come here. Come stand over here. Stand right there. So you got hiccups pretty bad? You want them to go away? Say something.
Hey.
Alright, here we go. So the trick is, someone taught me this, is to fill up a cup with water, and she's just hiccuping away. Hold on, Jordyn.
Oh.
Fill up a cup of water all the way to the top, put it on a table, and what you're going to do is just bend over and drink the water without picking the cup up. And for some reason, it makes hiccups go away. So let's do it, Jordyn. Put your hands behind your back and drink it. Drink as much as you can. Keep drinking it. Don't stop. Keep drinking it. Don't stop. Just keep drinking. Keep going. Keep going until you can't drink no more.
Oh, no more. It's gone now, y'all.
It is?
Yes.
Let me see. You gotta wait a couple seconds and see. We gotta make sure. Say your ABC.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? No more hiccups. All gone? Good job. High five.
Daddy.